Have you ever wondered how space sounds like? Part 2. Trust me, these sounds will absolutely blow your mind. If you don't know why we can hear different objects in space at all, then watch yesterday's video in which I explained it. Enough explanation. Let's begin with part 2 of the creepiest sounds in space. And don't forget to comment on which one you find the creepiest. And what does it sound like when two black holes collide? Follow if you don't want to miss it tomorrow. Little spoiler, you definitely won't expect the sound.